Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you in this weekend Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. This is going to be a weekend analysis video wherein we are going to see how the last week's performance of indices was, what were our projections and how the market actually performed. And we'll also make some observations for the upcoming week. So what do we expect in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty in the coming week is something that we should look at. Now, before we go ahead with this particular video, our view about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, one thing is essential, one thing is crucial, that during the Thursday's action, we got to see something like a bottom formation, and that is something we could identify that on Thursday after such a vicious fall, and we could generally gather the idea about the level where the market should stop falling and then slowly it should rise from that level. So we are here to analyze whether this rally is going to sustain, what should be the target for the coming week, and so on and so forth. First, let's go to WhatsApp group. So this is the message I have actually kept in front of us. So this is a message on a Thursday. So Thursday at about 11:32, I have shared a message. Can we get to see some intraday bounce? The message at 11:30. So after that, the fall has stopped. A lot of consolidation in 5-minute time frame. So bounce till 50 EMA possible is something that I have shared. So this message is at 11:32. Let's go to 5-minute chart. On a 5-minute chart, 11:32 is somewhere here. So this is 11:30 candle getting formed, and this is where we could identify that now the fall has to stop and then there should be some kind of a bounce in market. So market obliged, Nifty, Bank Nifty both obliged to our analysis. Though Nifty closed around the similar level, next day gap up opening confirmed the temporary bottom formation in both the indices. Now this was about Thursday, right? This is a Thursday's message. What about Friday? So Friday's message, so this is Friday's message. Nifty range may be 18,800 to 19,000 and Bank Nifty range may be 42,000 to 42,500, with our targets of Nifty 18,848 and Bank Nifty target of 42,405 done. This was amazing target shared on a Wednesday. Targets got completed almost on some of the targets on Wednesday, some of the targets on Thursday. We may see a bounce in market. Focus on stocks which were bullish in yesterday's Nifty fall. So this is a very small hint to someone who can understand it. We have to find outperforming stocks. Nifty bounce expected. Possible target may be 19,000 and a Bank Nifty target may be 42,500. I will not be aggressively bullish here. Will prefer a smaller intraday positions for now. See, smaller intraday positions for a very simple specific reason, that currently the Israel and Palestine, the war that is happening, that is real, and there is a fear that some of the Middle East countries will also might get involved in that war. So there is a period of uncertainty at this point in time. It may so happen that we might again go back and revisit these levels. So now again the analysis, that whatever analysis that we are going to make here today is on the basis that as long as the low of Thursday is protected, we are analyzing the current market. Now the expectation is very simple, very fair. If I go on to Nifty chart, so on a Nifty chart, the target of 19,091 which was shared on a Wednesday, this target got completed. I think this got completed on Wednesday only. Then Thursday there was some fall, and on a Friday there we have seen some bounce. I'll just remove this quickly, and now we are going to analyze this on, this is an hourly time frame. Let me just quickly change this to this Fibonacci calculations. Let us do this Fibonacci calculation again. So bullish trade above this, I'll need to remove this. See, now this is the last leg of the fall, and this is what the area which we are going to calculate, we are going to understand. So typically, let's leave this range part out for now, and when we are doing this Fibonacci calculation, so the low, whichever low we have got, from this low to the high, if we measure, if we calculate, just activate the magnet mode so that the high and low are snapped exactly at the high and low level, right? Now see, the range that we are going to calculate here is basically what we expect, what we need is that the range should be in between this zone. Every time we calculate range on the basis of a on the open interest calculation, but here at this point we are going to calculate this on the basis of Fibonacci level and Fibonacci target. So this is going to be our range 19,350 and 19,075 is the range where we are looking market to behave in this particular week. Now it may so happen that due to this war-like situation, if there is some adverse news or some kind of a jerk, so a knee-jerk action is possible. In that case, we might open below this particular range, but my expectation is that Nifty should quickly recover and come above this 19,100 level. If at all, by virtue of a gap down, if we break down below this low of Thursday, that is 18,837, and it sustained below that for let's say 15 minutes or 1 hour, then we might be headed towards the next target of 18,600 odd level, which is possible. But as of now, whatever analysis that I can do right now, that is in a way suggesting us that we may remain in this smaller range around 19,075 to 19,350. So this is going to be a smaller range, and this range may be applicable for this particular week. Again, I'm repeating, this analysis will be null and void if at all we open a ferocious gap down below this 18,837, and if we sustain below that level for at least 1 hour, then we should start seeking for the next bearish targets. Till then, this range is very good for the next week. So the range of 19,343 and 19,076 is the level where we are looking Nifty to stay within. Okay. So Reliance results are good. There were two results with respect to Reliance. There was a Reliance Jio result, which is like average result, and a Reliance Industries result, which is a very good exceptional result. So in any which way, if Reliance is positive, then Nifty must open above 19,100 odd level is what the expectation is. Let us see how it actually gives follow up after that. That is something that we need to see. More importantly, if we take a look at the Bank Nifty chart, similar scenario in case of Bank Nifty as well. So this fall till the low on Thursday, if we take a look at this particular Thursday's fall, and typically a 50% level up till 43,400, and this is 43,500. Okay. So the range remains as it is. This target got completed 42,844. Right. So the range remains just like that, just how it is, and we are expecting Bank Nifty to stay within this particular range. There should not be any aggressive action, and ideally, typically, this particular action should go in a 1, 2, 3 manner. So typically, when we look at this action from this low, there should be some bullish action. After that, there should be some kind of a retracement, and then the next leg of bounce. This is how I'm expecting action for both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty to take place. This is how the market should ideally perform. So while you are keeping certain positions in indices, keep those positions in a smaller size. Don't be euphorically bullish. That euphoric bullishness will be there only and only when we cross above 44,700. So I'll just change this mark above this 44,700. Only and only when we are above this level of 44,720, then and only then we'll look for aggressive bullish move. So that's it guys for this particular week in Market Kya Lagta Hai video. If you have liked the video, do let me know in the comment box, and see you all in the next upcoming video. Bye bye. I'm signing off. Take care.